Hello friends, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux Guide. Today we're going to see about system utility commands. So let's start with the video. First, who am I? PWD, host name. We'll learn the commands such as date, then uptime, host name, uname, which, cal, and bc. So we'll see one by one. Okay, so let's start with the practical now. So first command will be date. Just type date and enter, so it will show you which day, date, then time, and IST, Indian Standard Time, and the year on which we have logged in. So pretty simple, right? Then moving into the uptime. So this command will show you up to what time the system is being running, how many users has been logged in, what is the load average. So all these details you will get from here. Now the average of CPU load is average number of jobs in your system run queue, and it will be taken like 1, 5 or 15 minutes, like that it has been calculated. So it's a different aspect and different topic. You can search online about it. You will get the details better in that case. Moving into the next command. Next is host name. It is a very important command because we need to know we have logged into the proper system, correct system, so that you can run the commands which is required for us to run. So before that we need to verify which machine we have logged in and if it is the correct one or not before running any sort of command. So that's how host name will work out, and that's how we'll find the machine name as well. So in case of in a corporate sector, we should know what is our host name so that you can verify yourself with the proper machine you have been logged in before doing any sort of work or commands. Moving on to the next one. So next is uname. Uname, if you do, you'll get the machine name which is Linux, because many times it is happening that we are logged into the Solaris system or Macintosh or say HPUX, Ubuntu, many other flavors of Linux, right? So we need to know which system we are in, and you can do another one more thing which is uname minus a, which will give you more details about kernel and all. You'll get the details like type of OS user using, which is Linux right now here. Then this is the host name, this is the kernel version, right? Then the date, time, and other details, architectural details also you'll get from here. So that's all about uname. If you want more detail on that, definitely use man space uname so that you'll get the details. So the next one. Now next one is which. So if I do which, I need to give the command name, which command I want to. Suppose I know about pwd, which is print current directory or print working directory, whatever we have right now. We are in this directory. There's a location of that. Your is user location right now. We are working in it. Now, if I want to know the location of this pwd command, where it is located, for that we'll do which space pwd. It will show you, sorry, which, so it will give you which location this pwd command is located. So if you do now ls minus l, you'll get the details of it. So ls minus l, then if you do usr, that location if you go, then bin, then pwd if you do, is basically a program that is run and it is developed by the developer, and is written in a text file, and it has the permission like user, group, and others, so that execute. If I remove this x from this permission, if I remove it, cannot be done. This pwd command nobody can run. So that's the reason this kind of information has been given. Also, which owns this return command, its root user, root group, and these are date and time it has been accessed. So like that, this command is working. So that's all about which. And moving on to the next one. So you can first clear the screen, then you can do also which date, where date command is located. So this is the location of the date command. So if you move on to that location, cd space sr and then bin. So in that location, if you do ls minus l, you will get whole bunch of commands. It just came on a flash. So if you want to see one page at a time, again ls minus l pipe, then more, it will show you one page at a time. So that's how the things are working. So I'm going out of it. Moving on to the next one. So if you wanna know how many comments is total in this lines and all, it has been given. So you can do ls minus l, pipe it with wc word count minus l. You'll get the list of it. So it's almost 1673. The total comment has been there, which has been given as a list over here. So that's pretty much it. Clearing the screen now, and moving on to the next one, which is cal. If I do cal, it will give me the calendar of current calendar, current month, current year, and it is the detail of it. Now I suppose want to know about calendar of 1981. So for that I'll write 9 cal. The month, say I want to know December, which is 12, and 1981. It will give me December calendar 1981, and it will show me the date also. It was Saturday. So now if I want to see the whole year calendar, so for that I'll do what, cal space say 2023. If I do whole year calendar, it will be shown like this. You can see starting from January, February, March, like that, right? Let's clear the screen now, and move on to the last command, which is bc binary calculator. Or you can see, if you want to calculate something, say 2 cross 2, press enter, it equals 4. Then say 200 cross 100, if you press enter, it will give you the result of it. Now this way you can calculate also. This actually the calculator which we use in Windows also. So if you wanna quit from it, just write quit and press enter. You will be out of it. So that's pretty much it for the system utility commands. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. And thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience, and thank you so much for your love and support. So stay tuned to my channel so that you'll learn more. More videos are coming into your way. Thank you so much.